Hello. And how I could say Grenada look nice. Grenada look nice, real nice. So, hi, good day fellas. Good day everyone. We are about to go to the waterfall. Well, not just leave home, but just on the way to the waterfall. The weather don't look too nice, but I think so we bring all with us. So as we reach closer, we're gonna make more videos and show all you what's going on. Always. And I know we must have a shipping video. So this is the main road from the Massey side, and this is the road to the waterfall. And then you see that man there? To me, where we come from, the shot where she tell me she find walk too long to go to Mount Carmel Junction and come back around.
I forgot about if it's walk then yes. If it's not walk then it's go long.
Okay. It's easier to pass here. Tak masih tahan. Jalan, masih bambang gini saat. Lepas ni, ya, jalan sana. Good me. Vamos to the waterfall and the water. This is nice. So, I don't understand why she stand up in front of the camera, but yes, thank you. The place looks nice. You see on that side, you're on the other side. So guys, we are going by the other waterfall, taller one. From the little one, we're going up to the taller one right now. And eventually we're going to get some views. You never passed here before?
Why you look white like that? What are you doing?
You know what one there? Sorry about that guys. We almost. You repeat your new job there? I was just studying about PTS. And the bush are making it look nice. No, never. No. There was never this. Place look lovely. Hello. And how I could say Grenada look nice. Grenada look nice, real nice. So that is surrounding right now. Place cool and nice. So when you come up here, you know, table, fireside. If you can't cook, don't come. Wait for the camera. Wait for the camera. Are you waving? So yes guys, we just come over the big waterfall. I'm going to walk down by the small one now. I'm going to look at the picture. So nice to look.
So guys, do you want me to video him when he go in and slide down? I don't know what to say, magic. Look, I'm right up there. You know, I get ready. And it's stick. So you're going fast, I can try again. I look like he's struggling to swim, so. How you feel?
Good. You get last one?
Yes, I get everything. Your first fail, then your second success. So guys, I just had to add that piece in the video. So guys, we are heading back. Yes guys, so we are heading back. You said the water was nice, but to me the water was very cool. As always.
I should have been.
A bear.
I'm joking, man.
Okay. Yes guys, so thank you so much for coming with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I'll see you in the back. Alright, bye guys, we out.